Borrow Smart segment today being brought to you by rsrhomeselect.com. Best loan on the market if you qualify. It's an offset loan. And there's only 2 or 3 companies in the country that are offering it. And yes, I did say it on Monday. I did consult with a client. Their effective APR was 2.001 on an $850,000 loan, and they're going to have it paid off 7.7 years if they follow the strategy. And it's not even not even making massive payments. And they've got a lot of liquidity. Got to check it out. Protecting your credit when an environmental disaster strikes. If you have been impacted by the Southern California fires, your primary focus is on the safety and well-being of yourself and your family. As your basic needs start to be met, your thoughts will likely turn towards getting your life back to normal. The many concerns you may be weighing include, how do I get access to money? What will happen if I miss payments on my credit cards and loans? How might the financial decisions I make now affect my credit rating and access to credit in the future? These are important items to consider as your credit score influences the credit that's available to you, as well as the terms such as interest rates and amount of credit extended that lenders offer you. The fact that you reside in an area impacted by an environmental disaster or government action does not directly impact the FICO score. However, you may want to contact your bank and other creditors as soon as possible to make them aware of your situation. Your lenders may have procedures in place to work with customers impacted by the natural disaster. For example, your lenders may work with you to increase your available credit or to set up a deferred payment plan or temporarily place the loan in forbearance. The placement and reporting of an account in forbearance or a deferred payment plan in and of itself does not negatively impact a FICO score. This holds true with all versions of the FICO scores. Note, actions such as missing payments, charging credit cards up to and over their limit, or opening several new credit accounts over a short period of time can have an impact on the score. So, if you've been impacted by a natural disaster and are worried about keeping up with your bill payments as you sort things out, you should consider what you can do to better position yourself to help against potential impacts to your FICO scores. Here are some tangible actions to consider both before and after environmental disaster strikes. 5 ways to prepare for the natural disaster. 1, be in the know about your current credit status. Number 2, assess where you are financially. Number 3, consider automatic payments for your priorities. Number 4, do you have overdraft protection? Number 5, investigate your credit card over limit rules or protection programs. And 5 ways to recover from a natural disaster. Number 1, before payments are due, start making calls to alert your creditors. Number 2, ask your creditors about your options. Number 3, time to reprioritize your expenses. Number 4, request a copy of your credit report as soon as feasible. Number 5, consider a credit monitoring or identity theft protection service. Get the full details and give me a call if you want more information on this. Again, the number 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990. That's the Borrow Smart segment, brought to you by rsrhomeselect.com, rsrhomeselect.com.